So in this video, I want to show you how you can send money internationally with Revolut. So first things first, let's open up our Revolut account. And here you have two options. Either you can directly jump to the payment and then Revolut makes the payment from any currency account. But I like to open up a currency account beforehand in the currency I want to send money to. Therefore, I click on More and then on Add Product and Account. And here I click on Currency Account. And let's say I want to send money to Swiss. Therefore, I can just select it, and now Revolut is opening up a Swiss franc account for me. And now I can just click on Move, and I can send money, for example, from my Euro account to my Swiss franc account. And let's say I want to send 20 francs to Switzerland. Then I can just exchange money to my Swiss franc account first. But a quick side note, you don't have to do it this way. But I like to do it this way because on the top it shows me the exchange rate and I don't get any surprises. So therefore I click Review and Order. Now I can buy Swiss francs with my euros, and now I have 20 Swiss francs on my account. And next I can click on Payment, then on the plus icon in the top right corner. And now here I will choose International, and then I can select the country Switzerland, and it will bring me to this page. And here I can type in how much francs I want to send over to Switzerland. And now there is a little fee to it. You see it's 0.37 Swiss francs. And let's say I want to send over 10 Swiss francs, then I can just type it in. And down here you have a drop down with all your currency accounts, and I see I have 20 francs here on my currency account, and I can select this and it will be deducted from this account. And now I can click on Continue. And here I can type in the recipient, either it's an individual or a business. And this screen highly depends on where you want to send money to, because here in Europe you have IBAN numbers, so you can type it in, or you can even use the QR code scanner. If you're paying an invoice, for example, then you type in the first name, the middle name, and the last name. And then you can send the money. It will give you a review screen with all the transaction fees, and then you can send money internationally.